meUusSoulAI is a limited guided reflection experiment designed to support one calm and structured pause. This is a private, unpublished pilot, adults only, a maximum of 5 messages per conversation. Nothing is submitted until the user confirms they are 18 or older and actively agrees to the terms. The user writes one honest sentence. The pilot listens, asks a few structured questions, and may suggest one possible next step. Each submitted message flows through the configured N8N workflow. It is prepared, appended to a restricted record store, and returned to the browser. The pilot is private, unpublished, and not clinically validated. It does not provide therapy, diagnosis, crisis monitoring, or guaranteed human review. This submission is a small working experiment, not a completed public service.
In Bangladesh, people don't face one problem. They face everything at once. No job, no legal help, no mental support, no direction, and the system treats them like separate problems. What if one system could support the whole human? Introducing meUus, me, you, and us. 9 solutions. One ecosystem. We don't just solve problems. We rebuild lives from one office to every corner of Bangladesh. This didn't start as a business. It started with a question. Why do people face life alone? If you believe in change, this is yours. We started with me. Now it's you. Together, we become us.